To deposit Bitcoin into your Gemini account, you need to find your unique BTC wallet address. This alphanumeric string, such as one starting with 1, 3, or BC1, is generated by Gemini to receive BTC from external sources. Log into your Gemini account via the web or app. Navigate to the Wallets or Deposit section. Select Bitcoin as the asset and choose Deposit. Your unique BTC address and a QR code will be displayed. Copy the address or scan the QR code using your sending wallet. This address is tied to your verified Gemini account and acts as a deposit endpoint. Deposits are streamlined but require KYC for amounts over $1,000. Gemini provides a scannable QR code for your BTC address, compatible with most mobile wallets. This simplifies the deposit process, especially on mobile devices, and reduces errors in copying long addresses. To deposit, send BTC from another wallet, such as Coinbase or Ledger, to your Gemini address. You can scan the QR code directly from your sending wallet to ensure accuracy. For example, you can send from a hardware wallet like Ledger. Start with a minimum deposit of 0.0001 BTC. Gemini uses cold storage for most assets, keeping your BTC secure. Deposits require email or SMS verification. On mobile devices, scanning the QR code is especially easy and prevents errors. Always double-check before sending. Once deposited, BTC typically appears in your Gemini active trader account within 10 to 60 minutes. Deposits are free on Gemini, but network fees apply via the Bitcoin blockchain. Avoid sharing your address publicly to prevent scams.